So here we are in a Colorado ski resort. We're gonna do the first test with the hover drone. We tried yesterday with the manual mode. Let me close this up. So let's see. Here's the beacon. Oh, I don't need this part. I'll put it away. Turn them on, both.
Current mode, hover, bit, bird eye, dolly track, ski mode.
Ski mode, that's what we want. And I think we are connected. Everything is here. So my friend here, Roberto, is gonna take the beacon, put it in his pocket, and all right, yeah, it's supposed to be fine. All right, okay, it's on, and now let's see if it flies.
Middle, ski mode. Please hold the device to face the user.
So as you can see in the video, we had a successful takeoff. It started to follow right away. It took a bit of a distance there, as you can see, and then the turns are a little bit sharp. I mean, like too much movement maybe. Maybe Roberto is going too fast. Maybe we have to set it up at a lower height. I'm gonna check that on the app, but if somebody has an answer for that, let me know in the comments. And then right about here, where the slope flattens a little bit, the drone stopped following, maybe lost connection with the beacon. And then for about 15 minutes, we were trying to look at it, and I still had connection with the beacon, which told me that the drone was nearby or within reach. Then after about 10 minutes, obviously the battery started to die. In cold weather, they drain faster. And then at some point, I was almost certain that I have lost it because I lost connection with the beacon and the drone. And then Roberto went down and came back on the lift. And then I went there. You see me flying there on the side. That was me. I waited at the bottom of the slope, looked for it around there. But as you can see here, it just stayed right in the middle of the run. It stayed there, again, like 10, 15 minutes maybe, until the battery died. And when Roberto came back around, he started looking on the sides of the tracks here, thinking that it might have lost track over there, but in fact, it was right in the middle of the track. So this was our first flight with the hover. We're gonna keep trying other modes, maybe different heights, and maybe Roberto can go a little bit slower, so the hover doesn't lose him that fast. He's a really good skier, so stay tuned for our next try with this amazing little drone here in El Colorado in Chile.